Imagine a world where robots not only assist us but can move, adapt, and make decisions entirely on their own. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, brace yourselves because the future is here. The latest iteration of the ATLASAI robot has achieved full autonomy, and experts are absolutely stunned. This groundbreaking advancement is not just another tech gimmick. It could redefine how we interact with machines in our everyday lives. So, what does this mean for the future of robotics and humanity? Atlas, developed by Boston Dynamics, has long been a symbol of innovation in robotics. From performing parkour to navigating complex environments, this robot has showcased capabilities that leave us in awe. But the most recent upgrade takes things to an entirely new level. Equipped with cutting-edge artificial intelligence, ATLAS can now operate independently, making real-time decisions without human intervention. This marks a significant leap forward in robotics and has experts buzzing with excitement and some concern. What sets the new Atlas apart is its enhanced perception and decision-making abilities. Using a combination of advanced sensors and AI algorithms, it can interpret its surroundings, identify obstacles, and navigate through various terrains. Imagine a robot that can autonomously deliver packages, assist in search and rescue missions, or even help in construction sites. The implications are staggering. It's not just about replacing human workers. It's about augmenting our capabilities and taking on tasks that are too dangerous or cumbersome for us. But how does ATLAS achieve this level of autonomy? The secret lies in its advanced neural networks, which process information at lightning speed. The robot learns from its environment and adapts to new situations on the fly. For example, if Atlas encounters an unexpected obstacle, it can analyze the situation and determine the best course of action, whether that's climbing over it, going around it, or even finding an alternative route. This kind of adaptability is something we haven't seen before in robotics. Despite the excitement, this advancement also raises significant questions about the future of work and the role of robots in society. As machines become more autonomous, what happens to human jobs? While many argue that robots will create new opportunities, there's no denying that automation could displace certain roles. It's a double-edged sword. We must consider how to balance technological progress with the needs of the workforce. Atlas is also paving the way for future innovations in AI and robotics. The knowledge and techniques developed through this project could have applications beyond just robotics. For instance, the AI algorithms powering ATLAS could enhance systems in healthcare, transportation, and even smart cities. Imagine a healthcare robot that can autonomously monitor patients and make decisions based on their health data, or an AI system that can optimize traffic flow in real time. The possibilities are endless. Before we move further, unlock the secrets of affiliate marketing success with the powerful insights from Start Affiliate Marketing Like a Pro. This ebook is packed with 5 exclusive strategies from top industry experts, giving you the edge you need to drive real sales and build a profitable online business. Imagine accessing proven techniques that'll help you turn clicks into conversions, all tailored to the fast-growing AI niche. With immediately applicable tips, you'll learn how to launch effective campaigns and boost your affiliate business from day one. Don't miss out. Start mastering affiliate marketing like a pro today. Check the link fast in the description. Now, let's talk about the practical applications of this technology. In industries like construction, Atlas could assist in assembling structures, managing materials, or even performing dangerous tasks that put human workers at risk. In search and rescue operations, autonomous robots could navigate treacherous environments to find survivors, ensuring safety for human responders. The integration of such technology into our daily lives is not just a dream, it's rapidly becoming a reality. Moreover, the new ATLASAI robot is also set to influence how we perceive robotics in entertainment and media. We've seen robots take center stage in movies and TV shows, often portrayed as either heroic figures or terrifying foes. With real-life advancements like ATLAS, the line between fiction and reality blurs, opening up new possibilities for storytelling and engagement. Imagine a future where autonomous robots star in films, performing stunts and interactions that were previously thought to be purely fictional. The fully autonomous Atlas AI robot has shocked experts and opened the floodgates to a world of possibilities. As we witness this transformation in robotics, let's embrace the future while also addressing the challenges it presents. So, what are your thoughts on this revolutionary development? How do you envision a future with autonomous robots like ATLAS? Share your ideas in the comments below and let's keep the conversation going.